welcome to our channel Hyderabad Food Walks. So today we are at the Prince Bawarchi restaurant, and the location of this place would be shared in the description. And coming to this, today we ordered some platter. This is like one big platter of non-veg where you will find some prawns, some fish and 4 pieces of big chunks of chicken, fried chicken. So let's see, I'm going to give you the honest reviews how exactly this looks like, and adding to that we have a good amount of lassi. So let's see how this goes off, and thanks. Myself, Hi guys, today we got this platter. So let's see what all things are there on the platter. So I guess this is fish. So look at this fish, guys. So this is fish, and this is fried chicken, and this is prawns, and along with this they'll serve you some, like, 4 eggs, boiled eggs. And coming to this raita, so look how thick the raita is, guys. Amazing. This is, and there seems to be some mint, coriander and some green chilies, and along with this they gave us like this mirchi ka salan. So this is mirchi. This not a big fan of mirchi, but still going to. And along with this they'll serve some salad, this onion, cucumber and lemon. So let's see how this is going to taste like. So I'm going to help myself eating this. So let me start with chicken first. So look at the chicken, guys, how big the piece is. This is amazing. And let me put on some rice. Wow, look how the rice is so separate. It means it's properly cooked, and the fragrance, the amount of fragrance, the juices are so heavy. So let me try taking this. Cheers, guys. First bite, first review. Wow, amazing. The rice is very flavorful, amazing. It's so fluffy, so clear, and just so separate. And this is a good indication the rice has been cooked properly. So let me take a bite of this chicken. Look at this, guys. So how properly it is. So juicy, so flavorful, and the spices they have put in, like, hitting your all the mouth part. So it's amazing. Let me go with this. This is prawns, I guess. So let me take a part of prawn. Wow, guys, look at this. The white part, the meat part. Look at this. The flesh, this is called flesh. This is white flesh. So let me taste it. That fleshiness is there. That's the proper meat of the prawns is there. I love that. I'm going to have another bite. Highly recommended that. If you are coming here, please do taste this prawns. क्या नाम है भैया आपका? जीत, अरे जीत भैया। सो गाइस यहाँ पे जीत भैया मिलेंगे आपको प्रिंस बावर्ची के ड्राइव इन में। बहुत अच्छे बंदे हैं। लाइक जब भी ये लाए हैं ही बॉट अस वेरी हॉट मील, लाइक बहुत गरम गरम लाया हमारे लिए, स्पेशल रायता भी लाया है, सलाद भी लाया, एंड ही गेव अस अ लस्सी ऑल्सो। एंड अगर आप नेक्स्ट टाइम यहाँ पे आ रहे हो प्लीज़ इनसे मिलो, जीत भैया से, बहुत अच्छे भैया हैं। आई लव्ड हिम। एंड भैया खाना खा लिया आपने? बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, थैंक्स। I cannot tell you how amazing the food is, and I cannot finish this food all my alone, and they do have the parcel option also. So I will take this all as a parcel. It's worth of taking back to home also. And what can I tell you? This is my first vlog. So please guys, I hope you love this video, you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up and do share it among your friends and family members. And I will come again with a new vlog, with new place and new location, and I'll introduce to the new food around the Hyderabad. And thank you so much guys. Peace. Please subscribe to Hyderabad Food Vlogs. Peace out. Bye bye.